welcome back to my channel. My name is Liza if you're new around here, and today I'm going to be talking you through a few tips and tricks on how to get motivated to clean your house. I know that sometimes it can feel a little bit overwhelming to clean the house. You've left jobs till the last minute, everything is piling up and you do not know where to start. So if you need some motivation today and you want to know my tips and tricks, then just keep watching. Let's get started. Tip number one is to set yourself a timer. So you can set yourself a timer either during each room. I love to do power hours most of the time. So when I do a power hour, I'll just go around the whole house, getting as much as I can done within that hour. If when the hour is up, that is it. I'm not doing any more for that day. Now you could do that, or you could set yourself a timer for each chore, and then each time try and beat that time when you're doing that chore. This is a great way to keep yourself motivated. It's also nice to know that there is an end in sight, because sometimes if you think that you've got to clean the whole house, you could just think that, oh my god, I'm going to be cleaning this all day, and you're not going to want to do it. You're going to procrastinate. Also, make sure you're not procrastinating. That is another thing that will stop you from cleaning. Do not look on Instagram, don't go on Facebook and scroll, because you're just going to keep scrolling and you're not going to be cleaning. So put your phone down and set that timer. My next tip is to get the family involved and have them help out too, because Mark and I have a few little jobs that we like to do. The boys also like to help out as well. We've got 3 children, so my eldest is 7 years old now, well, almost 7. He likes to do things like make his bed in the morning, keep his bedroom tidy. My younger son Renzo also likes to help tidy up the toys too. So make it fun for them. Don't make it feel like it is a chore, but it is really going to help them, and it's teaching them important life skills. So it's going to be great for them in the future. And to be honest, my children really love helping me clean, so it's great for them and it's also great for me too. Tip number 3 is to turn the music on. Now, if I have a good playlist on, I am motivated. You know when you've got a good song on and you're just singing, I like to put all of like the old school classics on because I know all of the words to the songs. So if I put those on, I know I'm just gonna keep cleaning because I'm like in the mood. So make sure you put some good songs on. I've got a Spotify playlist which I have all of my cleaning songs on, but let me know what your favorite cleaning song is because I would love to know that. Also, like I said, when getting the family involved, you could add music to this to make it more fun for them too. So do a playlist or pop on a couple of songs for each bedroom. So if your children are cleaning their bedrooms, put 2 songs on that you know that they're going to love. It's going to keep them motivated. They're really going to enjoy that. And then when it comes to the family rooms, the kitchen, etc., you can set 1 song for each room so your family can help you out in that room. It's going to be like a little mini disco whilst you're cleaning, and I know that everyone will feel so much more uplifted once they've done those little jobs. Tip number 4 is to listen to podcasts or audiobooks. I would love to start listening to some audiobooks. To be honest, I don't really listen to them, but I do listen to podcasts. I really love listening to kind of other people's success stories, self-help podcasts, things like that. I find them so motivating whilst I'm cleaning and then after I'm cleaning, because I'm still thinking about what I've just listened to, and it keeps me motivated for the rest of the day. So let me know what your favourite podcasts are. Let me have a little look through mine so I can tell you a few of my favourite. The thing is though, I do find it really hard to find good podcasts. I often will find them through other people that have shared them on Instagram, or there'll be people that are already on YouTube and things. So if you have got a podcast yourself, please let me know down below because I would love to check it out. So a few podcasts that I listen to are Living Fully by Mallory Irvin. There's also The Light Show, Happy Place, Level Up Babe, Get Your Glow Back, Made by Mamas. There are so many different ones. So if music really isn't your thing and you don't want to listen to music while you're cleaning, then definitely check out a podcast or audiobook, because there will definitely be something out there for you that will interest you and keep you motivated while you clean. Okay, so tip number 5 is to watch TV. This might sound like a bit of a procrastination one, but it's not, because when I'm doing the laundry, I like to watch YouTube. I will pop on a YouTube video whilst I'm folding the laundry. It makes the job way less boring, especially when you're ironing and doing things like that. So jobs where you've just got to stand there, put on your favourite TV show, YouTube video, or even watch a cleaning video to keep you going whilst you clean. Tip number 6 is to use a DIY product. So make your own cleaning product and use it. It's going to make you want to clean. It's going to make you want to try it out to see how it works. And you're going to be really happy with yourself once you find a product that works better than the products that you've been buying in the shop. So find some nice natural alternatives and create a good cleaning product. If you already do this, let me know what your favourite cleaning product is to make. Along the same lines of that, find a new cleaning hack to do. So I always look on Instagram for nice cleaning hacks to try. Obviously I find new cleaning hacks from videos that I watch as well, and I'm always really excited to try them out in my own home. So find a new cleaning hack to try, DIY a product, or even create your own hacks, and let me know what they are as well, because I love new cleaning hacks. Next do need to find yourself a schedule, because cleaning the whole house all day every day, it just isn't doable and it's not fun. So what I like to do is set myself tasks for each day. I will do my washing every day. I always do 1 load of washing a day, because that will just keep me on top of everything for the rest of the week. You don't want to get to Sunday, look at that wash basket and think, oh my god, why did I leave all of that? Because you'll be doing the washing all day long. So just make sure you set yourself a different task each day. Always make your beds in the morning. That is something I do every day as well. If you want to know what my daily cleaning routine is, I will link a video down below, because I think I've done that before. Don't set yourself too many tasks, because it will feel overwhelming. I find that cleaning little and often is much easier than doing one big cleaning day. It's just too much for me and I can't do it with the kids around. So set yourself a schedule and find something that works for you. It will be so good for you once you've got that schedule in place and you know what you want to do each day, and it will help you keep your house cleaner for longer, which makes less work for you too. My final tip is to think of cleaning as self-care. Now, I find that when my house is clean and tidy, my mind is also clean and tidy, and I just feel much more relaxed. When I've got a pile of washing over here, pile of toys over there at the end of the day, and I look at it, it just fills me with stress and dread. So if you can make sure that you keep on top of all of that, your mind is going to be at ease, which makes you feel so much better. So think of cleaning as a self-care task. You're doing it for you, you're doing it for your mind. There are so many people out there. So we've got types of people that haven't got time to clean. It's not their top priority. It's just too overwhelming for you. You don't know where to start. So if you do little and often, start with the smaller jobs, use those different motivating tips to get you motivated to do the bigger jobs, like put on a playlist, like I said, to do those bigger jobs that it's going to keep you motivated and you're going to keep on wanting to do it. But make sure you take care of your mind as well, because I think that cleaning is definitely a form of self-care for me. I feel so much better when my house is clean and tidy, but I also understand that it is hard to keep on top of things, and I do struggle as well on a daily basis to get everything done. But don't be so hard on yourself when you can't get everything done. Set yourself that timer, do that 15 minutes of cleaning, and you've accomplished that for that day. So don't worry if you feel like you haven't done enough, because you've always done enough if you feel better about it. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and if you would like more cleaning tips, hacks and motivation tips, then let me know, because I'm always happy to do them for you. I will see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to send me a little snap if you have watched this video, because I would love to see that. Bye guys.